Porter paid $180 for his phone. His monthly service fee is $55. Formulate a linear function to model the cost, C of t, for t months of service, and determine the amount of time required for the total cost to reach $840. So, this is how much Porter paid for the phone. Here's the monthly fee. We want a formula for C of t, and then we want to solve that when it is equal to $840. So beginning, let's take the English and write what that is. Total cost is the amount he paid for the phone originally plus the amount he pays per month. So cost per month. Translating that into a mathematical statement, total cost, C of t. So C is the cost, T is the number of months, is equals paid for the phone, 180, plus, becomes a plus sign, and the cost per month, $55 times the number of months. Let's rewrite that in the more familiar slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b form. So C of t equals 55t plus 180. So that's the cost function. Now what we do is we set the cost equal to 840, and that equals 55t plus 180. And now solve for t. Subtracting 180 from each side, on this side we have 660 equals 55t. Now multiply each side by 1/5. I'm sorry, 1/55. And now 1/55 times 660 is 12, and that's equal to t. Remember, t is the number of months, so what we would write is it takes 12 months for the cost to be $840.